This is the AI song generator where you can generate AI music. So this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Here be able to enter the prompt as it relates to what you want a song to be about. Down here you can tap on the random generation feature where you can just give an idea to you which you can generate your song. The advanced mode allows you to enter lyrics as it relates to your song and also select the style of your song, hip hop, rap, or anything like that you want to generate. So you have to just select whichever option you want for your song or whichever style. So once you have done that, you also can enter the title and as well who you want or the voice you want for the song. You want a female or a male voice, you can also select that as well. You can add a little background sound as relates to your song as well. You can enable that feature there. So that's how you use this application. Very simple. You have the discover option here where you can pretty much see all the songs that are generated by other people on the application, or you can just select any one of these. Let's say for example this one here, and once I've selected that song, you'll be able to pretty much hear how the song sounds. So nothing much for that. As you can see here, there's a few, not much song on this discover section here. So in the library section, this is pretty much where you see all the songs that you have generated on the application. Will show in this section here. The profile section here can go to get your subscription. So you're going to need a subscription to use this application, guys. If you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to generate any song or anything at all on this application here. So you can go and upgrade or tap on the upgrade now option, be able to see your subscription page. As you can see here, you have a monthly subscription and a weekly subscription here. And as well, you can go back in the create section and tap on the music section here and find your subscription page as well. So you can see the prices you'll be getting, how much songs you can generate with this subscription, and as well you do have the weekly subscription down here as I said before. So very easy application to use, and if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.